Good morning, student. Myself, Uma Shankar Singh, science teacher, Modern English School, Bihar Sharif. Today, I teach you Chapter 2, Acid, Bases and Salt. Today, our topic is acid, bases and pH scales, neutralizations. In previous classes, I also discussed the topic of acid and bases. So today I discuss the topic of pH scale. So first thing is mind is coming the what is pH? What is pH value? That is the pH value is the power of hydrogen. Means how many hydrogen present in that substance, that is the pH value. That scale, measure of that scale, that is the pH scales, means power of hydrogen in that substance, that is say to pH scale, that is used to 0 to 14. That scale is measure of acid and bases of that indicator, that is the name of pH scale. That pH scale is numbering of 0 to 14 and that is the 7 is a neutral point of 0 to 14 in between, that is the NaCl, that is the salt at 7, where the power of hydrogen is 7, that is neutralization, that is neutral at that process, that is say to the neutralization, that is neutral value, neutralization 7, and that is the H ion is less than 7, that is the nature of acidic, that is the nature of acidic. When H is plus, that is say to bases, increases of this side, that is the basis nature. When the acidic nature are decreases, that increase the basis nature. Inside the basis nature are decreases, that is say to the acidic nature. That is the milk is the acidic nature, that is the point of 6. Black coffee, that is the acidic nature at 5 point. Lemon is at the 3. Battery is 1. And that substance are acidic nature. And that pH value is below than 7. When more than 7, that is the blood of our 7.5, 7.6, that is the basis nature. That is the baking soda is 8 point. 10 point, that is ammonia solution, that is the basis nature. All are blood, baking soda and ammonia solution, that is are basis nature. But at 7 point, that is the neutralization, that is the pH scale of that indicator. Find the power of hydrogen, that is say to pH scale. Now again term is neutralization. So in that terms, reaction of acid and bases, that is the formation of neutralization, that is the formation of neutralization. When acid and bases are combined together, that reaction is said to the neutralization. When some acidic nature or some problem inside our body, like because digestion of food need of, that is the secretion in our gland, that is the acidic nature. That is the saliva inside our mouth, that is mixed in our food. When that is the acidic nature inside our body is more than, then in our stomach pain is inside our body. So that is neutralization for usage of magnesium hydroxide, means that is the basis nature. means excessive hydrochloric acid inside our body, so pain in our stomach. so usage 4, that is the basis nature, that is magnesium hydroxide. That substance use our body or baking soda are used inside or a solution inside our body, that is the both are react them, that is formation of neutralization, then relief of these things. Now in our daily life, so antibiotic taken on our skin, so inject inside our body in the formic acid, so that formic acid in our body to pain inside our body, so because the acidic nature inside our skin, so usage of that is the baking soda on the that places of particular skin to rubbing, then both are combined to get, because in previous I say to acidic and basis nature both are combined to get, that is formation to neutralization. So baking soda and formic acid are combined together, that is formation of neutralization. Now another is soil treatment. When in agriculture field many reason are happen because our soil is excessive use of fertilizer to inside the soil, that is the acidic nature are increases, so our plant is not growth inside of that soil, so usage of calcium, that is the calcium oxide, so that is the makes both of them acidic and basic nature, then combine to get then neutralization of that soil, and then again crop are developed in that particular field. And factory waste and acid rain due to also are inside the field, so that is the excessive of acidic nature inside our soil, that happen inside the soil, and usage of basis nature both are combined to the formation of neutralization. Okay, thank you.